What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, delighting, and much interesting video here on the channel. This one is about the big boys. Yes, I'm talking of Emoney, Obi Cubana, Kcee, Henry Ike, and others. They were actually in Kano, yes, the northern part of Nigeria, to show love to one of their own. You know how these guys do it. When once is someone who always supports their business, listen to them, learn financial support, moral support, and all of that. Wherever he is in Nigeria, if he has an occasion, they will definitely attend and show their complete support. Anyway, Kcee performed at the event. Even Pretty Mike of Lagos was live there, and yes, they did not go alone. They were there with their wives. They went there, all of them with their wives, and yes, it was an executive event all through. Anyway, let me not say too much, allow you catch the entire highlight of how it went out there in Kano. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Drop a comment in the comment section.
My senior brother would be my twin brother.
Oh, yeah.
The Limpopo King, one of the most energetic artists of all time. Please give a round of applause for Kcee Limpopo.
Sissy Agata, all your things you dey sweet my heart.
Nigerians are there and they promise not to suffer. Kano girls you like to do. Kano boys you like to do. All of them, do they do? Me, I know they do. I swear to God, I never do. Our fly just land, I never do. As well as it take how they pay. Make some noise if you know you're excited in the building. Ready to rock it. Are you ready to praise the Lord? Before I hit the stage, I want us to sing this song together. You ready now? 1, 2, 3,
Money chaka biage we menue. Obi Cubana domu.
na we ebu. Abalu sekene kolo kene. Kimaswa we bulu je bulu na.
Ni banyu ne gwe menue. Obonye ka ni ne ku.
Na we ebu.
Azomoga.
Abalu sekene kolo kene. Kimaswa